Let's make a 5-pointed star. Fold the square piece in half diagonally to form a triangle. Fold the triangle in half diagonal again, forming a small triangle. Gently unfold the small triangle you just folded. Fold the same triangle in half diagonally in the opposite direction to create a smaller triangle within the large one. Carefully cut along the outer edges of both triangle following the folds to create the two star shape. Gently unfold the paper to reveal the big and small star. To create a more defined star pointed, gently fold along the crease that were made while cutting. Position the small star within the large star, aligning their center point. Optional, you use a bit of glue or double-sided tape to square the small star onto the big star at the center. You now have a combination of big and small 5-pointed star made from a single piece of paper. Now you can see our screen.
Yay!